Let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend a day. Dream a dream with me. There's so much we can be. Just wait and see. The future is bright. Hold on tight. The story's just begun. The story's just begun. It's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun. Take my hand and we'll outrun the setting sun. Forever young. Happy birthday, Gina! Just one look in your eyes, I know everything will be alright. The future is bright. Hold on tight. The story's just begun. The story's just begun. It's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun. This is your story. It is yours and it is mine. There's joy. Future is bright. The story is just
Celebration, gantong event, hindi naman siya palagi nangyayari. So gusto naming iparating sa inyo kung gaano kami kasaya. Sobrang happy po namin sa araw na ito na feel namin blessed kami dahil sa inyo. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Sometimes the wind blows in the right direction when it's pushing you towards the sunset like a ghost.
Let's give a round of applause for Daddy Mario, Mommy Monica, to get ahead, Kuya Mark.
The lesson that some things you have to find out.
Let's all welcome our birthday girl. Let's give a round of applause for Mariel Lira.
It's time to go discover the world. It's time to go discover the world. I can hear the future buzzing like an engine, roaring out in the distance past the trees. You don't need to sit and watch the snow melt. The water always runs into discover your world. Whoa. It's time to go discover your world. It's time to go discover your world. Whoa. It's time. It's time. It's time. It's time.
Thank you po. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang araw na ito. Kasi syempre 7th birthday, hindi ko po alam kung kailan pa ulit mauulit ang gantong celebration. Kasi iba-iba na po yung tinatahak nating landas. Pero sobrang happy po ng family namin na makasama kayong lahat sa oras na ito.
Ooh.